The next piece of equipment, the most exciting piece of equipment, is this 5 meter by 4 meter CNC bed. This here is a CNC bed that has 2 drop-down racks. As you can see, that drop-down rack is empty, and we couldn't fill it up for your demonstration because we didn't have anybody here to load up the rack. But this is where they left it on Friday night, so that's just tough. You're just going to have to use your imagination. But here, we have sheets stacked up, and these are finger dropped down onto the bench when the air is on. This bench is able to cut a range of shapes, is able to do circles, is able to do ovals. We're able to input many different shapes on here, which you can give us on a DXF file or something like this. And for instance, this is one that was done this morning, which is going to be delivered and installed on Monday. Again, this cuts many different types of glass.